So this technique's pretty cool. It sort of reminds me a bit of lithography, but it's on a screen. You do your drawing. After I finish my drawing, I tape it to the back of the screen so I can see through and trace. I use a waxy crayon or an oil pastel. The oil pastel will remain greasy and you're going to have to apply plenty of it. In fact, I go over the design a couple of times. Once I feel I'm happy with the design, it's ready to go to the next stage. And the next stage is to add gum arabic. I paint generous amounts of gum arabic all over the screen, and I tend to do it on both sides as well. Now I'll leave that to dry, and it might take a couple of hours to dry, and next I wash it out with some terps. Make sure you get a well ventilated area for this because I'm using some terps. Probably a good idea to wear gloves, but as you wash away the crayon, what you're left with is the stencil image that you can use for screen printing. This is just oil paint. Any sort of oil-based ink should do. This technique would not work with water-based ink. There we go. I think next time I'll probably darken some bits. It sort of has almost like a lithograph feel to it. You don't need to use terps to wash up, just vegetable oil, some sort of cooking oil will do the trick. It's a lot less toxic. Now you want to use that screen again for something else. Wash it out with water, that'll get rid of all the gum arabic, and then a little bit of screen degreaser, and it's right ready for the next one.